Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken wing with the Tom Yum Goong flavor. Okay, for the chicken wing, today I use 1 pound chicken wing, and the first I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt in our chicken wing, give them a little flavor. Just about this much. Okay, and I'm going to put the 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Okay, and now I'm going to give them the good mix. Okay. Alright, make sure the all salt and the flour all cover the chicken wing. Okay, and I already washed my hands, so now I'm going to put the chicken wing on the side, and I'm going to put on our herb and vegetable. Okay, first I have the red onion. Okay, we're gonna cut them small. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons the red onion. Okay, done chopping the red onion. I'm going to set it on the side. Okay, and next I'm gonna chop the galangal. Okay, I have it's jumping on me. I have 2 pieces of galangal, 2 slices. Okay, they come in the big chunk like a ginger, the big root like a ginger if you never see them. Now I'm going to cut them small to open up all the flavor. Okay, and next I'm gonna use the lemongrass, so I'm gonna bake up the flavor of the lemongrass a little bit. I try not to, because if I do this, it's gonna be pretty loud. Okay, and now I bake up the lemongrass flavor. Okay, now I'm going to cut them to the chunk. Okay, I use 1 lemongrass. Okay, and now I'm gonna set this on the side with the galangal. Okay, put them together. Okay, and next I have kaffir lamb. I have 2 kaffir lamb leaf. It look a little bit dry because it's from the freezer. If you have fresh, it's gonna be even better. Okay, now I'm gonna remove the middle part because they kind of hard part. Okay, for the kaffir lamb leaf, I'm gonna thinly slice them. Try to cut small possible that you can. I cut the kaffir lamb leaf. I chop them very small. It's gonna be easy for you when you eat, and for the flavor for the chicken wing. So next I'm gonna use 1 Thai chili. Same thing, I'm gonna chop them small for the Thai chili. Okay, and I have the chopped red onion, cutting and set it on the side, and then I have the galangal, I have lemongrass, and I have kaffir lamb leaf and 1 Thai chili, and I still have the cilantro and lamb, but I'm gonna use this at the end. And now we're going to go to the stove and check our oil might be ready to fry the chicken wing. Okay, and now our oil already hot enough. I check is about like a 350 Fahrenheit, and now I'm gonna start to put my chicken wing in the cooking oil. I use the extra cooking oil because easy to fry the chicken wing and make it crispy. Of course, you can cook your chicken wing in the air fry, or you can bake them in the oven. But today I want it crispy from the deep fry. So okay, I'm gonna put them all. I have 10 of them, 10 the chicken wing for 1 pound. So I'm just gonna cook them all. Okay, and now after you put the chicken wing, you just put the wing, not move them yet, just let them cook for a minute before you can move, and make sure they're not stuck together. But if you move it too soon, the skin is still stick to the pan, it's not cooked yet, and then it's gonna make it damage the skin, the crispy skin. So just let them cook for a minute. Okay, now I'm going to set everything aside, and for this over here, while we cook the chicken wing, we can cook our sauce too. Okay, and now like for already a minute, so I move the chicken wing So make sure they not stick together. Okay, and then you can see they start to cover the oil, the frying start to already cover the chicken. Okay, now I just gonna let them cook for about 10 to 12 minutes, just depends. Okay, now we're going to start cook our tom yum sauce. So I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil. The coconut oil getting cold, so they're getting a little bit hot. So I'm just gonna use the spatula to help. So I use 1 tablespoon the coconut oil. So coconut oil go in, and I'm going to use 3 tablespoons the chopped onion. 2 big spoon, 3 big spoon, big spoon, 2, okay, 3. Alright, I'm going to give them the good mix sauteed onion. This is on the medium heat. Okay, just saute the onion for few minutes to make sure that all the very good smell and open up all the fragrance from the onion. Okay, and now I fry the onion for about 2 or 3 minutes. Now the onion starts smell pretty good and getting softer. Now I'm going to start put the next herb. So I'm gonna put the galangal and the lemongrass into it. Okay. And I'm gonna give the mix again to open up the lemongrass and galangal flavor. For the tom yum chicken wing flavor, it's coming for an idea, because over here we have a lot of chicken wing flavor and a lot of people favorite is a chicken wing. So my idea is to mix a Thai food and a chicken wing together. So just be creative, and I really love how they turn out. So I want to share with you. Okay, now when you put them in it, and then the lemongrass and galangal and the onions starting to smell pretty good already, but don't forget to keep your eye on the chicken wing too, because sometimes it happens very fast. But if you cannot do both at the same time, you can do the sauce first or the wing first and mix them together. But I think it's okay to do the together at the same time. Okay, so now when everything smells really good already, I'm going to put the chili paste. This is a Thai chili paste. It's a very famous to use in the tom yum goong, so in the tom yum soup. Okay, I'm going to use a tablespoon chili paste. This much. Okay. Now chili paste going. Sometimes in Thailand I just eat the chili paste with the egg and rice. I use for stir fry. Yes, if you love Thai food, have the chili paste too, because can use a lot for the Thai recipe. And now gonna give them the good mix. And if you like, or you can double the recipe too. This is only for 10 wings. Okay, and when everything smells good already, now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons the heavy whipping cream. You can use evaporated milk also to add the creamy flavor, or you can use I use 2 tablespoons. You can use the coconut milk too if you want. Okay, but I find out the heavy whipping cream is making really rich and creamy. So okay, I'm gonna lower the heat a little bit. Make sure. And now I'm going to go mix our chicken wing. I know, keep myself busy. Not stop. Okay, now it's about 8 minutes to fry our wing already. Okay, I'm just gonna let them cook a little bit more for the darker golden brown. Maybe about 4 more minutes. Okay, and now next I'm going to add a tablespoon the fish sauce. 1 tablespoon the fish sauce going. Next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon the sugar to balance all this saltiness. Okay, 1 teaspoon sugar. Okay, I'm gonna give them the good mix. Okay, and I still have the kaffir lamb leaf and chili over here. So now I'm going to add the kaffir lamb leaf and 1 Thai chili. Okay, if the chili paste already too spicy for you, you can skip the extra chili. But I love spicy. Okay, and now take about 12 minutes. Now our chicken wing is turning golden brown. It looks really crispy. So now I'm going to start the remove chicken wing and put it on the side. And now our sauce is still on the side. I put them onto the simmer, the low heat. We still have to taste them and finish the last ingredient that I'm gonna have to put in there. But now our wing is getting done, so I just gonna have to remove them. Okay, now we come back to our sauce. Okay, it's look a little bit, but it will cover them all. Okay, so because we still need to add some lamb. Okay, and now before I add the lamb juice, I will have to put some lamb zest into our sauce a little bit. It looks like a little bit of sauce because we just do a 10 chicken wing. But if you really like the tom yum flavor, you can double the recipe. If you like the lamb flavors, it's like use the lamb zest. They already have the very good fragrance. It's the same that you use the lemon. Sometimes the lemon I doing the same thing too. It adds a lot of good flavor into your food. Okay, so now I put the lamb zest in here and I make sure I'm stir them pretty good. Allow everything to the essential oil, the oil to come out. And next I'm going to turn off my heat and add some lamb. Okay, and next I already turned off the stove. I'm going to add the 1 tablespoon the lamb juice. Okay, 1 tablespoon lamb juice, and now I give them the good mix. Now you can see the creamy coming out from the heavy cream, and I just going to give them the taste a little bit if I need more sour, more sweet, or salty, or even spicy. So just taste and then find if you need anything more. I love it. I want to add a little more sour. I like sour, so I'm just gonna add a little more sour. Okay, a little more salty from the salt because sometimes the chili paste they have a little bit of salt, or sometimes they're not salty enough, or sometimes they already very salty. So just have to put a little bit and then taste and find your favorite profile that you really happy. And now my sauce is done. Now I'm going to put the chicken wing in here. Okay, so we do it over here easier. Over there is a lot of thing going on. Okay, now we're gonna add all 10 chicken wing in here. Right. If you feeling like you want more sauce than this, you can double the sauce the recipe. But I feeling like I don't want it too strong, too much strong from all the herb and all the fish sauce. So I thinking this is already perfect for me. Okay, so I just gonna try to make sure everything is mixed and make sure all the chicken wing have all the herb flavor and have all the sauce. So I'm just gonna give them the good mix. Okay, that's it. Now I have a good mix. Now I'm going to sprinkle with the cilantro on the top for the green. With this fresh cilantro, see, look a lot better with the green on the top. Little more than. Okay, and then the chicken wing be a lot of people favorite, and I know you can do a lot with the chicken wing. Just be creative. Okay, now ready to serve. I'm gonna put it on the side and ready to try it together. Okay, I'm just going to use my hand. Okay, these pieces. Hold on. Still crispy on the outside, and very juicy, good on the inside too. Look at this. I want to go to the pot and then get some more sauce. Wow, it's spicy, sweet, spicy and salty and sour from the fresh lamb, and really easy to make. I love it and can't wait to eat them all. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.